that many as they were. At least hydration worked. Oh my god. In ketchup. Hello, disc mail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19, 20. $21. That cup was full. Sure. Drink as much as you can and then go stretching. Very good idea. Sure. Why? Why not? Why not though? Oh god. I can do something else. Don't do anything. Please, leave me alive. Oh, me too. Hey, I take my time. I take my time. 1. 2. Thank you very much. No, no, Mitsu. No, no. No, if you do that, I will limit this on 5. Oh my god. I can't drink that much. My stomach is so full, guys. Mitsu, I hate you. I hate you. I will throw up. Oh my god. Me too. I mean that. I mean that, how I say it. I'm full. Please stop. I'm dying. Oh my god, before I go. No. Oh. I can't dance. I can't dance. Mitsu, I hate you. Mitsu, I hate you. I hate you. Oh, guys. I can't handle it. This stream will be full with toilet breaks. Full. Mitsu, I hate you. Mitsu, please stop. I'm dying. I drank like 2 liters already. 2 liters in like what, 20 minutes? Can you die from water? I do not feel good. Oh. Gone. No more water. I don't have anything. It's all gone. I don't feel good at all. Oh. Now I'm starting to laugh. I don't know if this is a good sign or a bad sign. I'm dead. Hopefully not. Harder. I was already... Why is it still working for you? It worked! It worked! It worked! Okay. So it will be now out of... It will be just 10 times. Drink now. I'm drinking it now. 1, 2. I mean, I feel good, like, mentally and everything, but down there, this pressure.